folks, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update, and today is November 19th, 2019, and for those that watch my channel daily, we got a little bit of a rally, guys. So just want to let you know who I am, what I do. I'll be real brief because I know a lot of people come back on a constant basis, and I don't want to bore you to death. My name is Dan Frio. I do the Mortgage Update daily, and I have a radio show that I also do in Chicago. I'm a mortgage advisor, have been for over 30 years. You can hear me in Chicago on WYLL Radio weekdays from 7:30 to 8 p.m. and on WIND Radio Chicago at 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Saturday mornings. So I want to go over today what happened. Like I said yesterday, there's not a lot of market news out there. But the stuff that's coming in right now is basically not great news. You see the Dow's down 102. Main reason for that is there's a lot of retailers out right now that posted earnings that weren't very good. So that's not a good sign. So you couple that with the manufacturing numbers not so well. You couple that with the freight index not doing too well. You couple that with employment numbers not that great. And then, other things. It's not a good outlook for the economy. But what's good when it's bad news there, we have good news with mortgage rates. So that I can validate that information right here. You can see Treasury yields fall as investors remain unsettled by lack of trade progress. So Trump just came out and said there's really not enough or not much going on with the trade tariff talks with China. And if there's nothing going to happen there, he's going to jack up the tariffs. That's going to slow down things even more, guys. I think it's good. My personal opinion, it's good for the long run and for the U.S. in the long term. Short term, it's going to have its impacts. So, and we're seeing that on earnings with companies, and then slowdowns in other areas. Plus, the world is slowing down. So, like I said, there's really not a lot of news coming in today. As I said yesterday, we stopped right here. And I thought we were going to go right into this range, and we did. We upticked a little bit here. Let's throw a little line in here like I did yesterday. I'm going to top off all these to just see where we have a run going. So you can see I topped those. So we still have room for that to run. And there's a bottom here, and I don't think really we're going to see that unless China comes out with great news that they settled everything and all that, but I don't think that's going to happen. Plus, it's getting that time of year where things are going to start slowing down because of the holidays. So I got a feeling we're going to stay stagnant for a while. The only news coming out tomorrow is the FOMC. Basically, the Fed is going to come out and read basically what they talked about at their last month's meeting. I don't think there's going to be any surprise there. So my outlook right now today is don't do anything. Unless you have to lock, don't lock. I did have some clients that I locked in this range, and we missed out a little run here, but we're back, where we are there. And so I had some clients that maybe I missed out on like 0.1 or 0.125 in rates, but in the scheme of things, we're all good. So I hope if I can be of any help to you, please let me know. I can help people throughout most of the country, about 3/4 of the country we're operating in right now. If you'd like to use me or at least check me out and see if I could be of any help to you, or at least bounce across to me or give me an idea what you're looking at right now, even if you have a pre-approval out there or you're working on a loan, at least get a secondary opinion. I'd love to look over the numbers for you if I can. I'd love to see if I can fix it. Or I had a couple clients call me today. I wasn't able to beat what they had. They had unbelievable rates, and I don't know if they were trying to pull a fast one on me, and I hate to say it that way, but their rates were it would be like me telling you that I found gas down the street at 75 cents a gallon. That's kind of how bad those rates were that they came back to me. They were in like the high 2s and the low 3s, which unfortunately those rates don't exist, so watch out there. Make sure you're not paying too much for that. Make sure you're getting a 30-year fixed. Make sure you're not getting taken advantage of. So the best way to check me out, just Google me. My name is Dan, D-A-N, Frio, F-R-I-O. You can look up the Mortgage Update with Dan Frio. Give me a call at 844-775-LOAN, which is 5626. or shoot me an email at dfrio, which is Frio, at parksidelending.com. This is a short one. Really no news today. The markets were, the bond markets were kind of flat. Nothing really there to make any changes. Stock market's kind of coming back. No trade tariff settlements. Impeachment hearings are still going on. And it's still a scary world out there. So God bless. Take care. I will see you tomorrow.